Hello everyone, this is Kallada from Kallada Academy. So today in this video, we'll be discussing about custom GPTs. So custom GPTs, it's actually a new feature from OpenAI. So basically it is like creating a customized version of ChatGPT. So if at present, if you want to access custom GPT, you do need a plus version. I'm sure that it might change in the future. So if you want to create a custom GPT, all you have to do is see. First of all, if you're logged into your GPT account, your chat GPT account, and you already have a premium version, you should see a screen like this. So here, just go to explore. And if you go to explore, first of all, you'll be shown different options, different GPTs, custom GPTs built by the chat GPT team. See here, you have a negotiator, you have a creative writing coach who will teach you about writing and improving your skills. Then you have a tech support advisor. So basically like anything related to tech, anything on how to do some technical stuff, you can ask this tech support advisor. See, normally how we used to do this in the past is like we create long and very long prompts and feed it to chat GPT, and we'll have to use it again and again. But again, it is not possible to share all these things with your users. Okay? Now, with the help of this custom GPTs, you can create a customized version of chat GPT for yourself and then share the results with your users. So as said by the OpenAI team, in future there is going to be a store, a marketplace where custom GPTs can be sold. But at present that market is not live. But anyway, I'll show you how to create a custom GPT. So for that, just go to here, click on explore, and you have an option to create a GPT. Click on that. And in fact, OpenAI has made this process as simple as possible. So just through some text prompting, you will be able to give more details. Okay? You will be able to give the GPT builder details on how your bot should be or how your custom GPT should be. See here, so I have just gone to this create GPT option. So first of all, it's asked me, I'll help you create a new GPT. You can say something like make a creative who helps generate visuals for new products. So what would you like to make? So I will write like, I would like to create a Buddhist monk who solves modern day problems for people. And in fact, I have created a small prompt here. So just the basic stuff, okay, what I want it to be. And I'll click on enter. Okay, so as I said at the beginning of the video, we will be creating a Buddhist monk who helps people solve modern day problems. So I have given those details, so it is updating the details. So let it finish updating, and now I am sure that the next thing it is going to ask me is a name for our GPT. Anyway, let's wait for it to be completed. Okay, so as you can see, GPT behavior is updated. And for the GPT, and I'm sure that the next step would be, it will be sharing, it would be asking me for a name for this GPT. Okay? Sage wisdom. Okay? So does this name resonate with you for the Buddhist monk GPT? Unfortunately, no. I want the name to be Zen GPT. Now, as you can see, it will see it's a bit slow, but anyway, it will update the name here. And by any chance, if it doesn't update the name also, you can go to configure and update the name. Now, just with the basic idea we have given, as you can see at the right side, you will get a preview. Okay? Preview on how your boat would look like. Now it's showing me it has already created an image. See here, I have already, it embodies a Zen garden with a neatly raked sand. Yeah, it is actually, and it's actually imagining a profile picture for us, but that's okay. Anything is okay. This looks good. Now, if I go to configure sections here, name is here, description is here, then the instructions. You are a Buddhist monk versed in, see, this chat GPT has already generated a very good set of instructions here. Then conversation starters. Conversation starters means, see, whatever the user would see once they are accessing your custom GPT. That is basically the questions here. If you want to change these questions, you can change it here in the conversation starters. Now, knowledge and all, like basically you can upload maybe a PDF document and all, like which has all the Buddhist teachings, and ChatGPT will be using the information from that. Anyway, I'll be showing more about knowledge in a detailed video later. At present, I just want to show you how you can quickly create a custom GPT on your own. So all these things look good. So maybe I'll ask here, how can Buddhism help me make more money? So see here, once I updated the question, it got updated here as well. So everything looks good. Now again, in the GPT builder, it is asking me more and more questions. Okay, what kind of tone should Send GPT use? Okay, so I will tell I would like the tone to be compassionate and conversational. So again, it will update our bot accordingly. And once whatever changes or whatever prompts you are giving and whatever outputs you are getting from your bot is satisfactory, you can save it. And when saving, you also have an option to share it with other users. Okay? So see here, you have an option to make it public. Okay. So as you can see, whenever you give it public, this GPT may appear in GPT Store coming soon. So from what I know or from what I feel, this GPT Store would be something that is going to be like Play Store. Okay? There are millions of apps in Play Store for each and every task you want to achieve, right? So similarly, GPT Store would have custom GPTs for each and everything you want. Okay? So maybe like a Buddhist monk, or maybe like a personal health coach or nutritionist. So something like that. Any kind of bot can be created with this custom GPTs. And here, would you like Send GPT to have a particular way of addressing the user? So any specific phrases. So maybe you can address your user as brother. In fact, I'll avoid brother, friend, a gender neutral. Okay. You can address your user as a friend. So all these things are. So whatever input you have given here, as I said earlier, it is updated in your GPT, okay, in your custom GPT bot. Now, if you want to ask questions and if you want to see how is the output, so let's say I am a salesperson, but I am not able to meet my monthly targets. I'm really depressed now. Now let us see how our custom bot is able to help us. Okay? So see here, it is using the exact instructions we are telling it. See here, it is addressing the user as friend. And let us see what kind of output. Let us approach this with a mindset rooted in Buddhist philosophy, which emphasizes understanding and acceptance. Firstly, understand the concept of impermanence. Just as seasons change, so do our life situations. Your struggle with sales is not permanent and can change with effort and time. Wonderful, wonderful. See, it's giving me a customized instruction for the problem that I took. And see here, it's actually very good. In fact, I really liked it. It is something that I should give it to my sales team as well. But anyway, see here, it has given, see, whatever the problem I have given this custom GPT, it has given me a very personalized solution for that using Buddhism. Now let me just quickly shave it and public, and everything looks good, and I'll click on confirm. So that's it. Now the Send GPT would appear as a custom bot here. In fact, I also have a digital marketing mentor. It's again a custom GPT that I have created. So whenever the GPT store is created, or whenever the GPT store is live, this is something that I plan on making live in the store. Basically, this particular bot, it will answer any digital marketing question in a very simple way. And here is our Send GPT. Now, as I said, you can ask any questions. Okay? So let's say maybe I am facing family problems. So I am on the verge of a divorce. Okay. Now let us see what kind of solution our Buddhist monk is giving us now. Okay. So again, a very good output, right? See, this is the only thing your users would be seeing. Okay? The users don't need to know what happens in the backend or what kind of prompts it is using. As a user, what happens is that as a user, I would come here, I would tell my problem, and I expect a Buddhist kind of reply to this. Okay? And yeah, see here, using every Buddhist concept, it is giving me a solution for the problem that I just told SendGPT. Okay. So this is basically how you can create a custom GPT for yourself. So if you have any queries, just let me know in the comment section below. Thank you.